Today I'm taking a look at the VEVOR fan. Okay, so we got our grate and we have got our fan blades, and everything on here is made out of metal. And there is our base, and that is also made out of metal. So we got a weight for our base, and we've got our motor. So our pole does appear to be extendable, so we just loosen that guy up and we can bring that out. I also appreciate they put a rubber ring here on the bottom so we don't have to worry about this scratching up our floor. First step is we're going to put the pole into the base. And on the bottom, we can drop on our weight. Then we take our little thumb bolt and the washer and thread that on. So, looks like our fan blade. So it looks like we will need a screwdriver for this, but that is to attach this to the shaft of the motor. So the first thing we need to do is put on the rear grille, and we actually have the screws already installed in the motor, so we have to go looking around for those. So that is just 4 screws to hold this grille on. Now most fans spin clockwise, but I just want to double check that before I actually put the fan blades on. And that does spin clockwise. If you look on the shaft, you can see this little flat right here. So we want to position this so this screw is going to line up with that flat. And then we can just screw that in. You can see we have the blades positioned so that the fold is going to catch the top and is going to push the air toward us. Then for the front grille, we got this hook on the top, so that will sit on the top. And we got a little screw on the bottom that will sit into this hole right here. Then we can take these clips and fold them up. And that will lock everything into place. And the last thing is we're going to attach the motor to the base. So we can take these out. And the square on the carriage bolt is going to match up with this square. Then we'll drop this thumb bolt in, hold that in place, and we'll put the thumb nut in on the other side. So on the top we got 3 speeds. We got 1, 2, and 3, and if we turn it all the way to the left, that turns it off. We also have our oscillate function. Yeah, that puts out quite a bit of air, and that's just on speed 1. I also like that the oscillation is fairly fast. So if you're trying to really get the air pushed around a room, that is going to be excellent for that. So that's speed 1. It looks like down is oscillate, up is going to be locking that into position. So I'll push that back down. Let's go to speed 2. Yeah, that is a lot of air. I can definitely feel that cooling me down, so that is nice. And let's go to speed 3. Okay, so we are maxed out. That's pretty nice. I also like the style of it. It feels kind of like Art Deco, especially with that chrome motor on the back. So right now we're at the lowest setting, and from the floor to the top, it is just under 35 inches, about 34.5. The fan blades are about 15 inches, and the total length of the grill is about 17.5. If we loosen this guy up, we are now looking at about 49 inches to the top. So yeah, if you're looking for a good looking metal fan, that is going to be an excellent choice.